So I'm out here at this nature preserve early. Got out here at sunrise. Not seeing too much, just some red-winged blackbirds. I have my nifty camera, the 180 to 600 lens on it, and testing out the gimbal that I got for $35. It's working out pretty well. I see some birds over there. I'm gonna get some more pictures. So most of the fogs come off today, the Sunday morning. It's a nice morning. It's a little cold. My feet are soaked. They're a little wet. I'm supposed to have waterproof boots, but I guess I need to get new ones. We're gonna head over around, walk the trail some more just to see if there's something else we can get here. So this tree swallow has been just sitting here. If you can see him. Probably can't see him on this phone. But he's still just sitting there. And I was being really careful around him because they usually just scare away. But I got quite a few good pictures and some videos of him. So yeah, that's it's kind of cool. So I'm pretty happy. I'm heading back towards the car. Saw a deer coming out that I got some video and pictures of. Young buck, button buck, or whatever they call it. His antlers are just growing. My feet are frozen, but the Fanaue Gimbal worked pretty well. It held up. I mean, it doesn't wobble. It's solid. It's metal. It doesn't shake, or I don't see any problems with quality. Yesterday when I walked around here, I was a little worried because the I hadn't tested yet, and I'm putting my lens, not cheap lens, on a $35 gimbal. Kind of made me question my choices a little bit, but seems to work good. So I haven't really. I'm going to continue to use it. Works good with a monopod. It's kind of nice for video when I'm out on a trail. It's a little awkward. You got to throw it over your shoulder. Would not recommend using it as a walking stick with your camera attached to it. But yeah, overall I'm happy, enjoying this Sunday morning, my sunrise service by myself, enjoying creation and God's gift, and really have a good time out here by myself with photos. And hope you guys can get out of bed early someday and just go see nature. It's pretty rewarding. There's nobody else here, so all the animals aren't scared away, and they don't allow pets here either, which also helps. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go warm my feet up.